Hello dear patients. Today we are going to review the case of dark spots on a woman's face and removal of such spots by liquid nitrogen. Quite often with age in men and women, dark spots appear on the face. They may have a different cause, but if the person is quite old, then this is a so-called Acantomo verrucosum. You can see a separate, more detailed video about what is Acantomo verrucosum. This disease is also called senile keratoma, which is generally more correct, and it creates less confusion. Shortly speaking, Acantomo verrucosum is a benign tumor of superficial layer of epithelium. It most commonly appears after the age of 30. There may be not many of them, or quite many of them. If you have ever seen elderly people on the beach, then you see that they have such dark spots or growths on the trunk, and this is Acantomo verrucosum. They usually appear after the age of 30, and according to statistics, men more commonly have such neoplasms. However, they pay less attention to them. It is supposed that they have genetic predisposition, but basically this is one of the ways of skin aging. Occasionally itch appears in the areas of such rashes, as in our patient's case, and a dark spot develops on the skin. If it is located on the face, as in our case, then it brings some discomfort. Initially it manifests by a dark spot, and if left unattended, then a plaque appears, that is a thickening of the skin. In case of such superficial neoplasm by type of a spot, as in our case, it is feasible to use a removal by liquid nitrogen, and quite a good effect takes place. Basically we freeze the tissue of this Acantomo verrucosum and we induce burning. Therefore the cells of Acantomo verrucosum are removed from the skin. Usually if a correct freezing is used, generally speaking, a cotton tip can be used or a special cryo-iney device can be used for 20-30 seconds, and then skin gradually dies. Usually after that erythema or reddening is noted, as well as a slight tenderness. Generally speaking, if a doctor has enough experience in removal, then no scars are noted. So such method as cryodestruction or removal of dark spots on the face by liquid nitrogen can be successfully used, and it is used in our clinic. If it is necessary to diagnose and treat different rashes, moles, you can consult dermatologists and dermato-oncologists of our paid medical center of Dermatovenerologic Dispensary in Moscow. We have experienced specialists who do diagnostics and treatment of such neoplasms. We are waiting for you in our clinic.